for the police and the others.
Yes. Kamiti ya MWANYA irathuthuria mogaruruku maria magiriirwo ni gutafanio ruhonge-ini rwa borithi ni negeranite ikereka ria mbere ria riboti ya maumirira ma uthuthuria wayo kuri mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William RUTO. Akiamukira riboti ino thingiraini wa IRIA, president NIAHIMBIRITIE mendekithia matatu maria kamiti ino ikinyaniirie nginyanagia riu itemini ria kwagirithia ruhonge ruru na kugacirithia ugitiri wa bururi. Wa mbere ni kuambatiria ruhonge rwa borithi ruria rwa borithi cia NJERA na rwa mbeũ njithi ni rwa NYS nginyagia gikiro kia ugitiri wa bururi ni rwa security sector undu uria kugacirithia mishara ya maabitha honge icia kwina gicunje kia 50% undu umwe na kwagirithia mirutire yao ya wira.
We will now move the police, the prisons and the NYS to the security sector to ensure that their remunerations and their terms of service are commensurate with the security sector. It is unfortunate that they haven't been treated that way all this while, and I think they deserve, in fact, the Constitution itself recognizes that they belong to the security sector.
Wakeri ni guthondeka mieke iri ya kuingira ruhonge-ini rwa borithi. Wa mbere ri gikiro kia makurutu wa kirathi gia constable na wakeri ri gikiro gia cadet kiria gitanyitwo kuguciriria andu mari na umenyo wa gikiro kia iguru na aria mariambagiriria wira mari ngathi cia iguru cia borithi. Riu kamiti ya kuramata mirutire ya wira ya borithi ni National Police Service Commission ikio wigiriki wa kugathika mitaratara ya ikiro ici cieri.
We now need more people in the sectors of cyber technology, many people who understand, because crime is evolving and it is necessary for us to pick expertise that would help us manage new crime that is evolving in not just in Kenya but also globally.
Oho kamiti ino ni endekithĩtie abitha wa borithi ndagaikarage ceceni-inĩ ĩmwe ya borithi kwa ihinda rĩa makĩria ma mĩaka 3 ũndũ ũrĩa ũtũgĩrĩtio nĩ president akiuga nĩ ũgũteithia kũhĩtana na ũhagũku wa ũgitĩri.
All officers that have served more than 3 years need to move to the next station, and going into the future it will not be possible for anybody to be promoted if they have served only in one station. Part of the requirement for promotion must be that you have served in different stations in the country so that we have a wholesome view of the country, and also that no officer becomes accustomed to situations around any part of the country.
Kamiti ino iria yamurirwo mweri-ini wa Dithemba mwaka muhituku ikoretwo igithuthuria thirikari ingigacirithia ruhonge rwa borithi na kuria ikoretwo ikiamukira mawoni kuma kuri ikundi na andu matiganite na itanyitwo kurekereria riboti yayo ya muthia kuri mutongoria wa bururi kwa ihinda ria mweri umwe ukite. Kugacirithia ruhonge rwa borithi wari umwe wa maundu maria thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza yeranĩire hindi ya kambeini cia githurano kinene mwaka muhituku. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.